technicalities, may I call in my host for this evening, Malu? Yan ang hirap pag ako nag... Actually, our hosting is impromptu, so we don't carry any script at all.
It's okay, Jerry.
Yeah.
These things happen even in live TV performances.
Yeah.
How much more in this kind of event, diba? Mas professional tayo, so nangyayari pa rin yan.
Yeah, but this job is actually very exciting naman.
Okay, I think it's ready. Okay?
It's ready now. So let's welcome Jasper from Bulacan.
Hello.
Sana pumiyok. Sinas ka ba bunso mo? Gusto mo ba yan? Sa lalaki, kambal na babae bunso.
Lead me, Lord. Lead me by the hand and make me face the rising sun. Comfort me through all the pain that life may bring. There's no other home that I can lean upon. Lead me, Lord. Lead me all my life. Walk by me across the lonely road that I may face. Take my arms and let your hand show me the way. Show the way to live inside your heart. All my days, all my life.